Given the following conditional statement, we must write the converse, inverse, contrapositive, and biconditional. If Mr. Chang has food, then he will be happy. The hypothesis of the statement is Mr. Chang has food, and the conclusion is he will be happy. To write the converse, I need to flip or switch my hypothesis and conclusion. If he is happy, then Mr. Chang has food. I wrote the conclusion first and the hypothesis second. The inverse is written by negating or adding not to our original conditional statement. If Mr. Chang does not have food, then he will not be happy. I kept my hypothesis and conclusion in the same order, but I added the words not. I negated those two statements. The contrapositive is found by doing both, flipping and negating, or adding the word not. So I will need to look at my conclusion first. If he is not happy, then Mr. Chang does not have food. I added not to both of my statements, and I flipped it so that the conclusion came first and the hypothesis was second. And then lastly, the biconditional is a very easy statement. We take off the if and merely write Mr. Chang has food, and instead of writing then, we write the phrase if and only if he is happy. So we keep it in the same order, but just switch out our then for the phrase if and only.